Now this one is more like it, where this is actually note card 111. I need to fix that really quickly. Okay, but this one is where we have different variables going on, and that's where I wanted to make sure that you practice this. So we have got to find exactly the like terms, because once we identify which ones are the like terms, we then combine them. So I want to remind you of this note card 109. Terms that contain the same variable or variables with the same exponents are like terms. They have to have the same exact last name, okay? They have to have the same variable with the same exponent. So like right here, 2x cubed and negative 17x cubed, sure. But over here, 2x cubed and negative 17x squared are not like terms because the cube and the square are different. They didn't have the same exponents. So if I go back to this slide right here, we've got to identify like terms. So we have a 3x squared y, and we look for anything else that has an x squared y. The 3 is just a coefficient. So that has an x squared y. The negative 16 doesn't. The 5 doesn't. The negative 13, nope. The 4, nope. 2, no. The 11, no. The 1, no. So those two are the only two that have that like term. So we go ahead and combine them. And the 3 plus the 2 is 5. And then you just put, oops, let me, yeah, it's being wonky. I mean, you're trying these new Chrome extensions. And anyway, okay. So we get 5x squared y in the purple. So let me change the color. And we'll do a blue this time. All right, so now I'm gonna go, and these, you don't really have an order that you have to do. Like the last example, we started with the a cubed, and then the a squared, and the a, and the constant term. So with these, it's not so much. So I'm just gonna go to the next thing. So I have a negative 16xy. Well, negative 13xy is a like term. 2xy is a like term, and that's it. So then you just combine the coefficients. Negative 16 minus 13 is negative 28, plus 2 is, wait. I'm sorry. Negative 16 plus negative 13 is negative 29. And then plus 2 would be negative 27. And then, of course, the last name or the term is xy. Let's go to a green color now. All right, so now I have a 5xy squared, a 4xy squared, and 11xy squared. So the green, 5 plus 4 plus 11 is going to be 20. So 20 and then xy squared. And then lastly, what do I have left? The only thing I have left is this x cubed y. So I just tag it on. Now, knowing which order to put it in is sometimes the tricky thing with these when you have more than one variable. What I've got is fine. The things that I hand wrote, it's fine. But if you notice in the answer down here, they started with the term that had x to the highest power. And x to the highest power is right here. That's an x cubed, so they started with that. And then they went to the one with the x squared, which is right here. And the one with just an x, which there's two of those, but they did the one with the y squared first. Again, that doesn't matter. So you could have written your answer the way I have it or the way they have it in any order this way, okay? Finish up note card 111.